Welcome to Fluent Land. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi everyone, how are you guys? I hope you're all doing well and feeling great today. Welcome back to our podcast. We're really happy to have you here with us.
Yes, welcome everyone. We hope you're feeling calm, safe, and positive wherever you are listening from.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very important: how to improve our overall life and daily life.
We'll talk about simple habits, mindset, daily routines, and small changes that can make your life better step by step.
This episode is not about perfection or pressure. It's about real life, real struggles, and realistic ways to grow.
So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this conversation with us.
Let's get started. All right, everyone. Today we're trying something a little different. First, Cami will share her thoughts about improving life and daily habits. Cami, the mic is yours.
Thank you, Jack. I want to start by saying something important. Improving your life does not mean your life is bad. It simply means you want to grow, and that's a beautiful thing. For me, improving life starts with understanding myself. Many people live on autopilot. They wake up, use their phone, rush through the day, and sleep without asking themselves how they really feel. If you want a better life, you need to slow down and listen to yourself. Daily life is where everything happens. Big dreams are important, but your daily habits decide your future. Small things like how you start your morning, how you talk to yourself, and how you spend your free time all matter. One habit that changed my life was learning to protect my mornings. I don't start my day with stress anymore. I try to breathe, stretch, or just sit quietly for a few minutes. This small habit makes my whole day feel calmer. Another important thing is mindset. Many people are very hard on themselves. They focus on what they didn't do instead of what they did. Life improvement is not about perfection. It's about progress. Even small progress is still progress. Learning is also a big part of growth. You don't need expensive courses or long study hours. You can learn from books, podcasts, videos, and even mistakes. Every day teaches you something if you pay attention. Health is another key part of daily life. You don't need to be perfect with food or exercise. Just respect your body. Move a little, drink water, sleep well. When your body feels better, your mind feels better too. Relationships also shape our life. The people around us affect our energy. It's okay to choose peace over drama. It's okay to say no. Setting boundaries is not selfish, it's necessary. And finally, I want to talk about bad days. Bad days don't mean failure. They mean you're human. Rest when you need to. Forgive yourself. Tomorrow is always another chance. That's what improving life means to me, living with awareness, kindness, and patience.
Thank you, Cami. That was really thoughtful and honest.
Now it's your turn, Jack. What does improving life and daily life mean to you?
Thank you, Cami. For me, improving life is about responsibility, but in a healthy way. Not blaming yourself, but realizing that small choices matter. I believe many people wait for motivation to change their life. But motivation is unreliable. Some days it's there, some days it's not. What really changes life is consistency. Daily routines are powerful. How you spend your time after work, how much time you give to yourself, and how you rest all shape your future. Even 20 minutes a day spent on something meaningful can change your life over time. One thing that helped me a lot was organization. When my space is messy, my thoughts are messy. When my space is clean, my mind feels clearer. You don't need perfection, just enough order to breathe. Another big lesson for me was learning to manage my energy. Not everything deserves your attention. Not every problem needs an immediate reaction. Protecting your energy improves your daily peace. I also learned that improving life doesn't mean being busy all the time. Rest is productive. Silence is healthy. Sometimes doing less helps you do better. Failure is another important topic. Many people stop trying because they are afraid of failing. But failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. And lastly, patience. Life improvement is slow. You won't see results in 1 week. But if you keep going, one day you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Improving life is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming a better version of who you already are.
That was really powerful, Jack. I think many people needed to hear that.
Thank you all for listening.
We hope this conversation helped you in some small way.
Remember, one small change today is enough.
Take care of yourself, and we'll see you next time.